In a world where security threats are ever evolving, where challenges arise at every turn, there exists a group of individuals who stand as a line of defense, the defenders of freedom and safety. This is not just a training program, it's a transformative journey. With each passing day, these students are pushed beyond their limits, both physically and mentally. The Basic Defender course has adapted to meet the demands of a changing world, incorporating increased weapons handling and firing, heightened physicality, and enhanced mental resilience. But it's not just about mastering the art of combat. It's about understanding the fundamentals of security, the intricacies of defense strategies. The course delves deep into the principles of air-based ground defense, including agile combat employment and offensive and defensive security competencies, equipping these future defenders with the knowledge they need to face tomorrow's threat head-on. Yet, it's not enough to be skilled in combat alone. Leadership and followership are integral elements of the defender's role. Through challenging exercises and real-life simulations, defenders will learn to lead with courage, integrity, and resilience. They learn to follow with loyalty, discipline, and adaptability. As the sun sets on their training journey, these graduates emerge not just as defenders of the sky, but as guardians of freedom, ready to adapt to any evolving threat, ready to defend their nation with unwavering resolve. Or in the crucible of the Basic Defender course, they have been forged into warriors, ready to protect, ready to serve, ready to prevail.